Going to harvest my kangkong here because it's getting taller. I have a growing light in our basement and decided to put in here, and it's growing so fast. So what I'm gonna do is harvest it, because look, it's really high. And then I'm gonna harvest some of them, stay here too, because it's going up in here there too. Okay, I'm gonna start it. Okay. Hi. Decided to harvest my butter spinach or kangkong, because look, it's growing tall. So I'm gonna harvest it. I put here down in my basement. Yeah. Gonna have kangkong. Kangkong. Next, look, I'll try. Harvest. Next is this. Kanipod ako nang putlan kay taas na. Okay, I'm gonna cut this too. I made a gluten, and I'm gonna mix it. It's like it's a vegan, pretty much a vegan food. That's what I used to eat before, gluten, and then with the steam of the water spinach, kangkong, and ginger, garlic, and tomato. I'm going to cook it in here.
What? Way more oil? That's so yeah. Mix it.
Looks like there is meat, but it's not meat. Oh. Okay, it's done. Gluten, kangkong. Gluten, kangkong. Taod nakuha nakaluto og gluten. Himo ko gluten na naman ko'y kangkong magulay gisan ako sa kuan. Well, vegetarian food ni. Way karni. Gigisara gud nako hugaw-hugawan og gluten dayon butag ahos, loya, kamatis, maura, asin. Human. Panihapon ay gigutom nako.